In these examples, we're going to look at a few problems that are going to help us understand the commutative property of addition. Solve the following problems in problem sets A and B and fill in the blanks in the results section. So let's start with problem set A. Sheldon had $5 and earned $7 more organizing a closet. And the question says, how much does he have altogether? So this should be a pretty simple problem for you now, but we have a point to prove and you'll see why in just a moment. So we started with 5 and we add on 7 more, which means Sheldon earned a total of $12. Let's look at the next question. Leonard had $7 and earned $5 more solving math problems. How much does he have altogether? Well, in this problem, Leonard started with $7 and we add on 5 more dollars, and 7 plus 5 is $12. So what we need to notice here is in both cases we were adding, and we were adding the same two numbers but in different orders. Here we started with 5 and added on 7. Here we started with 7 and added on 5. Regardless, the outcomes are the same. Both are $12. Let's look at the next problem. The temperature in Minnesota was 8 degrees Fahrenheit. It dropped 5 degrees Fahrenheit after sunset. And we want to find what was the temperature after sunset. So here we're starting at 8 degrees and we're subtracting off the 5 degrees it dropped after sunset. This gives us a result of 3, and this is measured in degrees Fahrenheit. For the next problem, we have that the temperature in Alaska was 5 degrees Fahrenheit and it dropped 8 degrees Fahrenheit after sunset. What was the temperature after sunset? So this problem has similar numbers, but instead it started off as 5 degrees and then we subtracted off 8 degrees after sunset. Well, 5 minus 8 is going to be negative 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So notice in this subtraction problem, we had the same two numbers, but when we reverse the orders, our answers are not identical. They're actually opposites, 3 degrees and the opposite of 3 degrees, or negative 3 degrees. And this will always be the case. So when you add two numbers and reverse the order of the addends, the sums are equal. So when we added, we got the same result. Oops. And when you subtract two numbers and reverse the order of the minuend and the subtrahend, that's these two numbers here, the differences are opposites. When you reverse two numbers in an operation and they're equal, as we did with addition, we say that that operation has the commutative property. So you'll see further in your unit lesson that addition has the commutative property while subtraction does not.